Welcome. This video will explain how to compare your retirement statements in light of the recent record keeper transition from Empower to Voya. This video is intended for participants who have retirement plans administered by MSRS. By the end of this video, you will recognize that a recent record keeper change from Empower to Voya resulted in a transfer of your retirement funds. You will also compare your final statement from Empower with your Voya conversion notice. Now, we will explain the recent system change that resulted in a transfer of your retirement funds. Effective July 1st, 2025, Voya Financial became the new record keeper for MSRS administered plans. This has resulted in a transfer of funds from Empower to Voya. This was automatic and no action is needed. However, some participants are seeing differences between their paperwork from Empower and their paperwork from Voya, which is causing some concern. This video is intended to address those concerns. Now, we will explain how to compare your final statement from Empower with your Voya conversion notice. You will need to gather a few things. The first document you need is the final statement from Empower. It will say Empower on the top left corner, and it will have a statement ending date of June 24th, 2025. Need help? We have a step-by-step video guide to show you how to locate your final statement from Empower. The second document you will need is the conversion notification from Voya. It will say Conversion Notification centered near the top of the document. It will also mention Voya Financial in the paragraph further down on the document. Need help? We have a step-by-step video guide to show you how to locate your conversion notification from Voya. Once you have these two documents, you'll be able to compare them together. Now let's look at some examples. With example A, we will compare documents from this participant's Minnesota Deferred Compensation Plan. Zooming in, we can see that the Empower statement says there has been a $68,174.54 withdrawal. The Voya conversion notification says $54,174.54 has been converted to their account. You might be wondering, why are these amounts different? We have the answer. The account withdrawals number on page 1 of the Empower statement includes any distributions processed during the statement period. In this example, it's April 1st through June 24th, 2025. For a more detailed view, please view page 2 of the Empower statement. There is a section titled, "What activity took place this period?" You will see that there have been 4 withdrawals prior to the transfer of funds from Empower to Voya, and those withdrawals account for the difference. You will also see an account withdrawal matching the $54,000 amount on the conversion notification from Voya. With example B, we will compare documents from this participant's healthcare savings plan. Zooming in, we can see that the Empower statement says there has been an account withdrawal of $23,272.56. The Voya conversion notification says $17,601.01 has been converted to their account. These amounts are different because there have been reimbursements during this period. Important note: unfortunately, Empower statements for the healthcare savings plan don't include transaction details. However, You can view specific transactions and reimbursements for your healthcare savings plan by viewing the Empower side of your online account. The account withdrawals number on the Empower statement includes any distributions processed during the statement period. In this example, it's April 1st through June 24th. For a more detailed view, we'll look at the transaction history on the Empower participant website. You will set the dates to match the statement, April 1st through June 24th. Then you will see a list of distributions for that time period, which add up to the difference between the Empower statement and the Voya conversion notification. You will see a distribution line item matching that $17,000 amount on the conversion notification from Voya. Thank you. We appreciate your patience with this change, and we are here to support you. Please contact MSRS if you ever need support. Thanks again.